Hey you guys, it's Jay and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing these emerald rhinestone French tips, and thank you guys again for getting me to 700 subscribers. It means so much to me. I'm going to be going in with my tried and true nail tips. I absolutely love these soft gel tips. And here I'm just showing my gooseneck lamp that I'm going to be using today, and I picked up this Creation, a soft nail tip gel adhesive. This stuff is amazing, and I'm just going to be working that into the gel nail and going ahead and putting those on and curing them. My process is pretty much the same every single time. I haven't really changed up anything, so I'm just showing you guys this step by step, like 2 or 3 times before moving to the next step.
You're knowing what you're wanting. Good feeling, isn't it? You like when a desire hatches within you. So much has happened before a desire even occurs to you. And sometimes when a desire occurs, you think that's just the beginning, and now you go to the hard work, making that desire a reality. And that's what slows it all down.
And here I'm just going in with my little buffing block so that I can go ahead and buff the surface of the nails, really roughing them up so I can eliminate all shine, making sure all of the edges are smooth as well as underneath the nail. And then I'm going to go in with my nail file and just really clean up that shape so that it looks very clean and uniform. And then I'm going in with some alcohol and just removing any dust that may be on the nails as well as under the nail tip. And then I'm going to go in with my Moda One's base gel, applying a thin coat to each finger and curing that for 30 seconds in the lamp. And here I'm using these two Beetles nude gel polishes. I love both of these colors because the B071 is going to be more of that like nudie brown, and the B072 is more of that nudie pink. They're both very, very soft, so I like to mix them together just so that the nail doesn't appear too brown or too pink. It's just like that perfect in the middle kind of color. So I use these, and I'm going to apply just one coat of each and making sure that I cure for 60 seconds in between coats before going in with my French tip design.
You're knowing what you're wanting. Good feeling, isn't it? You like when a desire hatches within you. So much has happened before a desire even occurs.
Once I'm done applying my base colors, I'm going in with this green D&D 5 design nail polish, and this is like a really pretty green, very sparkly, so this is very good for applying under your stones. Whenever applying a stone onto the nail, you want to ensure that you have something that matches the stone color that's very sparkly underneath, so you don't have to over apply your stones and use a lot. But it's also going to ensure that you don't have a lot of gaps in your stones as well, because you have something underneath that's reflective. So yeah, this helps me not to have to use up so many stones whenever doing these nail design videos, because I tend to go through stones very fast. As you can see, there's not much left in this container. And of course, as usual, everything will be listed below. I got these stones on Amazon, I believe, when I got like another color kit, but I will be sure to link that below. As you can see here by the way that I am applying the stones, I like to start with my larger stones in the center of the French tip, and then as I work outward, I gradually get smaller and smaller with the stones, because you don't want really bulky stones on the outside of your nail. It just makes it easier for lifting and for the stones to just pop off, and it also really changes the shape of the nail and creates this bulkiness that you may not want for your desired look. So I'm just taking my time, doing one nail at a time with the stone adhesive, and then going in with the stone placement, and I'm just doing the same exact thing for each nail.
You're knowing what you're wanting. It's a good feeling, isn't it? You like when a desire hatches within you. So much has happened before a desire even occurs to you. And sometimes when a desire occurs, you think that's just the beginning. Now you go to the hard work of making that desire a reality. And that's what slows it all down.
As you guys can see, sometimes the stones don't want to cooperate, and I just continuously flip it to make sure that, you know, it's facing upward and that I can apply it on the nail, but just move things around if it's not working out, you know, and keep trying, because you will get it eventually, trust me. And then I'm just going to go in with my D&D top coat that I love using. This is a no wipe top coat, and I'm just applying this around the nails, all over the nail bed, avoiding my cuticles and skin, and avoiding the stones because it can flow forward and just becomes like a mess. So just make sure that it's a thin top coat, and then cap the very outsides of your stones just along the free edge. You don't want to cover all of your stones with top coat. So you're going to go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds, and then this is going to be your final product. Hopefully you guys like this video today, and I really appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.